Hello everyone, in this video I will show you that how we can install VirtualBox. So let's start. uh, Download, directly go here. Download VirtualBox, go in this virtualbox.org. Now here, see, they are asking the platform, right? So I do have the Windows host, right? So I'm going to click on that Windows. So once you will click on that Windows, you can see here that VirtualBox is started, right? Okay, let's wait for a couple of seconds more. Yeah, okay. So it's downloading, already downloaded. Now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to open it. Now just click on yes. That is skinned, I think not be possible to see you. Okay, so it's installing. Okay, installing. Next, click on next. Okay, these things, if you want, you can just check it. If you don't want, you can just create a shortcut in the quick launch bar. These things, if you want, you can just mark it, check it. Or if you don't want, you can just directly uncheck it. Not a issue in that. So click on next. Now click on yes, install. Now it will take some time. So that's it, guys. It has been finished. Let me show you just by opening it. Here it is already open. Now if you can see, this is the VirtualBox, and if you want anything to install, you can just directly click on that add or import, right? So that's it in this video, and we'll let you know that how we can install Windows on VirtualBox, Kali Linux on VirtualBox in some next videos.